Hello, what's up guys, El Loco here, and today I'm going to show you how to match move a shot on Maya 2015. Okay, so for this tutorial you will need PFTrack, After Effects or Nuke, and of course Maya. You can use another 3D software if you want, but I'm going to be using Maya, so I think it will be simple. It will be simple to use Maya. Alright, let's go. So I'm just gonna show you the video first. So this is the video. Pretty simple stuff. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to convert this file into an image sequence because PFTrack does not like videos. It like image sequences. Alright, so let's open up After Effects, CS6. This is the demo version. You can download it on the website. I think you have 30 days for free or something like that. It's pretty good. Alright, come on After Effects. Alright, so I'm going to import my footage. Here we go. Convoy. Okay. And I'm gonna start here, and maybe I'm gonna cut at 11 seconds. I don't know. Well, let's go all the way. All right. So what you want to do is go into composition and click here. Add to the render list. Okay. We're gonna go for a PNG sequence. Click OK. I'm sorry, my software is in French because, well, I'm French, so, well, I could change it to English, but I think it's pretty easy to follow along. Okay, save it where you want it to be saved. So I'm gonna go in Maya project, Tank Street. This is the name of my folder, Tank Street, and create a folder named image sequence, image sec. Like, you can just put images. Yeah, let's put images. And for the name, well, just put convoy that yes. And alright, save, and we do the render. So I will be back when the render is finished. It's finished. Let's see what we have now. So let's go in Documents, Maya Projects, Tank Street, Images. So here we have a whole bunch of images that we can use in PFTrack to track the footage. If you don't know how to use PFTrack, then I'm going to show you. It's no big deal. It's not real difficult, but yeah, do what I say and you will be okay. Okay, let's open up PFTrack. Let's click here to create a new project. Create. I'm gonna name it Convoy. Convoy, and I think it's 25 frames per second. Adjust the number of frame per second of your footage here. I think the max is 60, but I think it's 25 for me. Alright, so let's confirm. Alright. It's confirmed. Where is it? I don't know where it is. Okay, so where is convoy? I don't see it. Ah, it's here. Okay, I'm gonna drag it in my PFTrack projects. Okay, so what we want to do now is import our footage, our image sequences. So open up that and just drag and drop the first image. Oh, I've got an error. I got an error. I don't know why it does that. Okay, whatever. PF track. What is your problem? Sometimes it does that, but I don't know why. Really, if you know how it do why it does that, please tell me in the comments. I really want to know. Okay, so now we're gonna cache this footage into the memory of the computer so we can visualize the footage and it will be much better to work with that. Okay, let's just cache the footage. We just there's just the rotation of the camera. It's a simple shot really, but I think it will be a great way to start. There's not much people in the shot, so we don't have to mask them. Um, and you can see a street of Paris. Yes. Okay. And I'm gonna explain quickly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna place some tanks. Yeah. I'm gonna place some tanks and some military vehicles in the streets. I don't know, maybe you're making a movie, you need tanks, you don't have the budget for real tanks. Well, if you have the budget, just buy real tanks and contact the city and just, you know, go in the street with your tank. It's okay, I guess. But if you're on a low budget movie, come on, CGI is fantastic now. It does a really good job. Okay, so click on your footage, right click on your footage and click Autotrack. In the number of candidates, we're gonna put 300 because I want my track to be really precise. And target numbers, let's put 250. Alright, alright, alright. Now, in search mode, better speed. I'm gonna put better accuracy because really I don't care about the render time for the the calculating time of the computer of the footage. I want yeah, I want my camera move to be really precise because imagine you're making a movie and it's it's it needs to be really precise. I don't have to explain that. Okay, so let's click auto track and it's gonna take a while, so maybe you wanna take a cup of coffee or maybe get hang out with your friends. I don't know. It's gonna take a while, 40 minutes maybe. I really don't know. Um, but I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. See you guys later. Okay, so the tracking is finished. We can see if it's good. I think it's pretty good. It's not perfect, but really it's good for what we want. Okay, so now right click on the auto track node and click on camera solver and so click on solve all. It's gonna calculate the movement of the camera that we want to copy. So it's initializing a solution. We just have to wait. You don't have to do anything. Alright, so yeah, we have to wait. In the meantime, I could show you where is it? Oh, it's not responding. I think it's gonna crash. I don't want it to crash because oh no, I hope it's not crashing. I really hope. So I'm gonna cut the video and see you when the camera solver is finished. So the tracking is finished, the camera solving is finished. Now we just have to orient the scene. You see this plane is not oriented in the right way. So we're gonna do it. Alright, so let's scroll from that footage. Okay, so we have all our tracking points, all the tracking data. Okay, right click and click on Orient Scene, and we're gonna be able to translate. I really want to translate that plane over here, and I want to translate it maybe over there, here. It's not really important to orient the scene, but well, it will help you in Maya. It will help you a lot in Maya. So if you do a really good orient scene, then your job will be much more easier in Maya. Maybe two. Oh, snap. Um, okay. It's it's the tricky part. It's really the part that matters. I think really if you want to have a good track, the 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 best thing you want to do is orient the sim in the right way and select a good origin for your plan. Alright, so that's not that bad. It's it's moving in a weird motion, so I don't know for that. Okay. Well, I don't know. This is tricky. This is really tricky because I can't see all my scene at the same time. You know, it's pretty difficult. But I'm gonna do what I can. All right. So sorry. Click on known and select a point, a pretty stable point. I'm gonna choose like maybe this one, and let's select this one here and click on set origin. So oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. I don't know why it does that, but what? What is going on? I really don't know what's going on here. It's weird because the grid must be. I don't know why, but the size of the grid is so weird. It's so small. Let's put it at 0.1. Yes. That might be better. Okay, let's rotate it a little bit like that. Oh, come on, what's going on here? Okay. Oh, it's really tricky. Pretty hard. On PF track, this is not automatic, but on Buju, I think it's automatic. On Mocha, this is there are other softwares, other match-moving softwares. Okay, let's select a point here, set origin. This is much better. This is what I want. Okay, now what you want to do is just right click and click on export. If you're on Maya, just select Autodesk Maya 20. It's 2011. I'm just gonna check something. All right, 2011, and all right. I want to store my scene, my FBX file, my Maya file, sorry, Maya file into Maya projects, Tank Street, and I'm just gonna name it convoy.maya save, and just click on export. Alright, so this is done, this part is okay. Now open up Maya 2015, not 2016. I have the two versions, but it's not working on, well, you're gonna see. Let's open up 2015. So the problem on Maya 2016 is that there is bugs with the, well, when you import an image sequence and you project it on the image plane, there is a bug. It's not working on 2016, it's only working on 2015. So just do what I do, just download Maya 2015, it's gonna work, no problem. Okay, so documents, Maya project, tank streets, and just drag and drop convoy. Okay, so now we have our camera motion. I just want to know how many frames there are. Okay, so it starts at 0. This is really important to stick at what we have here, and here 0. Okay, so it starts at 0 and it goes to 311. 311. Okay, cool. That's cool. So we have our camera motion. It's working pretty fine. But we want to display the image. It will be really good to have a visualization of our scene. So let's go and do that. Go into the attribute editor. You can click here and select your camera and go into attribute editor, go into environments and click the little arrow here, the little arrow. So it brings up the image plane attributes. Go into image name and just go into the folder you picked. Oh, sorry. So it was map project, tank street, images. So select this one and use image sequence. Okay, so now it should work. Scroll on the timeline and it's moving, it's great. I'm just gonna save the project here, convoy 1, I don't know. I think it's great. Alright, so let's look through the camera to see if everything is okay. Alright, so everything, it's a little bit laggy, but there is a little bit lag, but it's fine. Okay, let's go into the render settings, switch to mental ray, it's always better, and I want, oh, I'm just gonna, is it, oh, it's HD, okay, 1000, okay. Let's take a 1080p, and yes. Alright, so now you just have to bring your 3D model into the scene and composite it on After Effects. But I'm gonna do this part. Alright, let's put the tank into the scene. So you go in Window, Outliner. I'm gonna rename the mesh to, oops, just gonna rename the mesh to tank. and I'm gonna scale it down because it's a little bit big for the scene. So here I have a 3D model that I downloaded on T3DM, so free website. You can have really good 3D models. I added some texture to it, uh, well, pretty simple, and I didn't do the texture, I just added the texture in it, but I think it will have a great result. So with textures it's much better. Alright, so now we need to put it into the scene. So how do we do that? Well, there is some markers here that indicate the path, the road, the path which the tank have to follow. So just look on the, you can help yourself on this view and just place the tank on the road. I'm just gonna place it here. No animation, nothing like that. I'm just gonna show you how you can do the match moving. I want the tank to be here, alright? So you just have to adjust the viewing. Well, it's not that bad actually. Here, well, it's it's a big tank. It's like that actually. Okay, so it's not looking bad. Minus. Okay, and we have our tank. Now you can create an animation or whatever, but I'm just gonna show you that it is really in the scene, and you have the illusion that the tank is actually in the scene. And oh, there is a little problem here. If you can see it, it's moving in a weird way. Well, that's because the tracking was not perfect, but well, if you take a lot of time and track the shot in the right way, it will be great. Well, I hope you like this tutorial. If you liked it, if you want more, please leave a like. It really helped the channel. It really helps for the visibility of the video of you on YouTube. And thank you for watching, I guess. Thank you a lot. See you.